Hello everyone, my name is Gad, and welcome to part 2 of how to create Arkanoid for GameMaker. Now, last time I showed you how to create sprites, sound, backgrounds and objects, how to create all the stuff that you need in order to, just do all the coding and actually create the game. So now we'll open up our game that we were working on last time, Gad Arkanoid. And now we'll just open up all of our sprites, sounds, backgrounds, by pressing these little things at the side. So now when we go into our main room, we observe this. But now we need object add with left mouse. So add objects with left mouse, and remove with right mouse button. Or if you're using Mac like me, you just do two fingers on the trackpad down, it removes it. It has the exact same function as right click. Or you can just buy a mouse, just from any ordinary tech store, JB Hi-Fi, anything like that. One of the mouses I use is my Apple mouse, which personally I like. I only use it sometimes though. I don't use that often. So I'm just gonna surround this. There we are. It has width of 448, height 468. Remember, pause the screen if I'm going too fast for you. At any time throughout this tutorial. Good. We'll save that now. That fine. And now we'll go. So when we go into our room, we need to actually place the objects in there. So now we can place the bat over here, just at the bottom here. We can place the ball up top there. We can place bricks just like thus, which is easy enough. And now all this is functionless without code. So now we can go into the ball's code, the first one that we need to do. Now we can do foot, and we can go into the bat first. Actually, we're going to add event or collision with wall. We'll go collision, add event. We'll go collision with wall, which I just did, just over there. And so action, we can move. We'll go, this thing here is for move. We'll make it stop moving in position. Yeah, and so event is when we press. So this is going to be using the arrow keys as controls. So when you press the left arrow key, you want to make it keyboard left. You want to make it move. You want to make it move left with a speed of 6, which 6 is a good speed that we need. And now you can basically just do the exact same for right, but this time we do it for the right. Left and right are the only ones we need. Now when we release the left and right key, Jesus Christ, my speech today. Well, when we release the left and right key, we want it to stop. So we do key release left. We'll do start moving direction, stop. Okay, and basically now this is another little trick. You can just two fingers on the trackpad if you're using Mac, or just right click on it. Then get on this line of code right here, and then go duplicate event, and then I'll make a choose event, key release right. So now we've got, and it's the exact same code as key release left. Okay, just remember, pause the screen if you're going too fast for you. Yep, there we are. Okay, so that is it for the bat. And now when we play the game, this is what it will look like. With the bat is the only thing we can move, so the bat is functioning properly, but we haven't put any coding for the rest of any other objects. So now we just need to go back into GameMaker, make ball, add event, create, start moving direction, make it move in all directions when it first comes in. Otherwise, it'll just stay stationary, just still. Okay. Now we'll go clear, and then we'll go what is it? The collision with wall, bounce again. Now over here we'll go bounce. We'll go over here. It's bounce against solid objects precisely, and we can play the sound. So this is when it hits the wall. We'll play the sound hit wall. We'll do it loop false because we don't want it playing over and over again. And now we use the duplicate. Now we use the duplicate function. I'll do collision with bat. Play sound. Except we'll change this one to hit bat. We'll hit bat. There we are. And then we'll just duplicate that to collision with brick. Now we'll change the sound to collision hit brick. So they all have different sounds. When you hit bat, different sound. When the ball hits the bat, different sound. When the ball hits the brick, different sound. Well, it's the wall, different sound. So when it hits the brick, we want it to go. So we can have scores every time we hit the brick. So we're gonna go set score 1, and now we're gonna go up to here, main 1. We're gonna go destroy the instance. So if we do applies to self, that means the ball will be destroyed. But I want it to be applied with the other thing, which is the brick, which is what we're placing this in. There we are, and just double check. There we are. And then we'll do add event, other, outside room. Outside room, so we just do... Well, you can't really go outside room, so we didn't need to do that. So we've got our basic code here. Oh no, for outside room we do... control, score. Your -1 lives when it goes outside the room. There we are. Okay, so now before we play, we have to create another object. So when it starts, we're gonna put in some music. We're gonna set the lives. We're gonna set the score. Because all that code we put in ball, the score won't show not unless we have another piece of code. So we go create object. We go just call it starts. Up. We don't put in a sprite for this one. We just go add event, create, and we'll go make it just automatically play the music, main music, and we'll make it loop true this time because we want it to play all throughout the game. Create, and then we'll go score. We'll go set lives 4. We'll go set score to 0. Now we go to over here, which is health. So over your score, you'll find over here down your score, you'll find your score, lives, and health. So I want to do this thing here. Score caption info. Show score. Don't show lives. We want to change it to show, and we don't want to show health. So now we go okay. And so let's see how this is so far. I'll see if we have made any mistakes so far. Oops. Seems this glitch is happening again. Sometimes that happens. That little glitch there. Let's try again. There we are. So as you can see, but it only wants to go in one direction. We can change that via one way, I think. It is via brick bounce against solid objects precisely. So when it hits the bat, it would bounce against solid objects precisely. Solid objects. We will just change that. Just maybe to just. Yeah, I think that's all right for now. I think. Yep. So we've got this. Now we'll go back into ball. We'll go brick. So now once we've knocked down all the bricks, we'll go down to control. We'll go up here. Questions. Test instant count. If object brick equal to 0, and then we'll do start of a block. Down to control, and then we'll say go up to main 1. Go to main 2. I mean, pardon me. And we'll go. Congrats, you won. Congrats, you won. And then we'll restart the game, and then we'll stop the music, the main music. If we kept it playing, it would have been, we would have restarted the game, and startup would have realized that there's two musics playing, and we would have played twice the amount of music, which I'd tried before, and it wasn't so nice, I have to say. So now we'll go control, we'll go end blocks, we want to end that block now. Yes, okay. Save. Come on, hit all the bricks down. Remember, you can put a start screen, but I'm just showing you the basics. And also, I'll feature the start screen down in the description. I cannot run the start screen on here. You see when I go like this, it glitches. Just try to always hit the ball, and you will be fine. So we are. Congrats, you won. Then it'll restart the game. And yeah, you pretty much get the idea. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to leave a like. Remember to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to Adventures with Gad, and also to James Lee. And I will see you guys later. Bye.